Hi guys, good morning. Today we're gonna cook ramen, but we're gonna make it special. Okay, these are the ingredients. By the way guys, a lime and lemon can be optional seasoning if you want to add later after cooking it. It's up to you. And on carrots, I just slice this and turn this into this one, and you can slice it however you want it to. And for the spring onion, it's about 1/8 cup and about like 3 pieces of this one when they sliced. And the corn is also 1/8 cup. You can add how much corn you want it to, but just make sure that it will not overpower the taste of the broth. Okay. Okay, I already put the noodles, and you will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes in stirring it occasionally. Okay, while we're waiting for that noodles to cook, we'll just beat the egg. We'll be needing this later. Okay, so it's almost done. 1 more minute. Now we can add the corn. The spring onion and the egg, we're gonna add it later when it's totally cooked and we remove it from the heat. Okay, it's done. Let's turn off the heat, and then let's add the spring onion, and let's stir it. And then we're gonna add the egg. And we have to stir it. You will notice that the soup will turn creamy when we do this method. See how tasty it is. And that way we're not gonna be overcook the egg as well. Okay, it's done. I will add just a little bit of lime and then stir it again. And it should be ready to go. We'll transfer it to the serving plate. I said plate, it's a serving bowl, I mean. Now there you go. It's ready and it's delicious. Thank you for watching. Until the next cooking show. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.